Emmanuel Crypto, and in this particular video I'll be sharing with you how you could make your money work for you. Yes, you heard me right. This particular video, before you watch it to the particular hand, you are going to be seeing how you could make your money work for you. In fact, you don't have to do anything. This earning will be coming as a passive income. You can withdraw at anytime you want to withdraw. So you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. So before I tell you the name of the crypto and the site where we'll be doing this thing, let's look at the price of tone first. Let's look at the price of tone because we'll be actually be doing this passive income using our tone. So, and I have some certain tone that I have in my tone wallet currently that have been lying there. In fact, it has been wasting, it is not growing. And there are some certain people too that you have some certain crypto, you are just waiting for the bull run to just come. They are not there, you are not trading them in future, you are not trading them on spot, and they are just there. They are not adding anything. So if you have tone, I tell you, after you watching this particular video to the end, you will know what to do with your tone. So you could see that at the time of recording this video, this was the price of ton currently. Ton is around 3.94. Yes, and I believe that ton will still do well because as at last year, ton is rising to around $4. Yes, $4 to around $6. What am I even saying? Let's check the all-time height of ton. Yes, you could see the all height of ton is around $8. So if I'm selling at this current price, it will be a cheat. So it's better I just put it to work so it should be giving me more ton. So let me tell you how to start. So now this is my ton wallet. I have ton that worth around $5, which you could see here. I have around 1.29 ton. And let me see if this particular thing I'm about to do will be able to be carried out with this particular ton I am. Let's go. Yes, this is what a lot of people that is having a huge amount of some certain crypto that they have been doing, staking their crypto. You could see they say manage your stake and track your earning. So here now I'll be staking my tone here. So I stake it here and I'll be receiving daily earning on the daily. I don't have to do anything on every day. If I was doing this switch by saying you know how it is, and I can withdraw at any point in time. So I'll be staking and I'll be waiting and I'll be giving some particular amount of the stake I stake as APY on every day. So let me tap on this stake to get the address. Let me tap on stake, let it load so I could get the address first. You see, yes, voila, the address is here. This is the address I'm to deposit to that you are seeing at the bottom. You see, you say you need a minimum of 1 ton in your wallet. So let me copy the address and let me deposit. So I'm about to send it now. I've copied the address and you can see now I'm sending around 4.3 ton and I'm sending 1.1 ton there to that particular wallet, and this is it. This is the fee now. The fee is even very cheap at 0.01 dollar that the fee is. So let me just confirm and let me just send. It's asking for my pin. Yes, you could see now it says done. So let me go back to that particular site and check if my tone has arrived. So you could see now that my balance here has actually changed. Now I have 0.74 cent. Now it's not even doing anything for me. So it's better I stake it so that I could be getting some amount of tone. So let me refresh it and see if it has arrived here. So within few minutes, that particular tone I sent, you see it has actually arrived. You could see here 1.1 tone, $4.3. So now I just have to tap on stake. So if you are this particular staking and I'm actually sharing with you doesn't have to do with referrals, yes. And if you're able to have a community that you can refer a lot of people, is as good as any. So let me tap on my stake. Let me tap on my stake. Yes. So as I've deposited that particular amount of 1.1 ton, I don't need to do anything. It's already there like that. So on every day, I can just come and I will just check my total earning available. And when I come to this particular aspect which says plan, you could see it say amount stake 4.32. So, and the date is 31st of March 2025. You could see my staked amount, total plan. I have one active plan. You see daily ROI percentage. I did it today. So as at today, I've not earned anything. I could restake. That means the earning I make, I could actually restake. And when I comes to pool, this particular thing is still new, and this is just an opportunity. You see upcoming distribution around April, the 6th of April at around 1 a.m. I think what we will be distributed and we'll be able to claim and withdraw, which I'll also be creating a video for you. You could see the global metrics here. We have 737.37 USDT. So like that, and if you want to do your referral, you can just come to referral. I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of the particular video, so you can just do it. So you see, as at now, I haven't withdraw anything from verify. So if you think this was really helpful, please kindly drop your comment in the description of the particular video, and please kindly subscribe, like, and share this our video so that I could get to a lot of people. Thank you. Bye bye for now.